beautiful people. Welcome to Mom Kiss TV. So today's video is sponsored by Sunber hair. Thank you so much for sending this over. I'll have all the specs below, y'all already know. So the lace is fire, but I did still decide to do like a little curtain bang, 70s bang type of action. Some of you told me to spray the hair before I curl it, and I tried that and it still did not. I mean, it curled, but it didn't hold as long as I thought it would. But I freaking love this wig. I never do these bangs like this. I never do it. And honestly, I feel like I've been missing out because it's a fucking look. Especially with the freckles. Like, I think the bangs and the freckles are just super cute. But anyways, like I said, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this hair like I give it like an 8. I barely plucked it. I did bleach the knots for like 5 minutes. And then I was like, wait, let me not bleach them because it's not really good to bleach colored unit. But yeah, this is our style. How to 70s bangs. How y'all feel about me and bangs? Like, what's tea? I like them. I feel like they're very different. I'm not used to this. I never wear my hair like this, but Sunber hair, y'all did y'all shit with this wig. I love the color. It's a very natural looking ginger. In person, you can tell a little bit more, but it's more of a natural colored ginger. It's not like orange. You know, sometimes they send these units over and it's orange, but this company, they have nailed the ginger color down to a T. The hair is soft. As you guys can see, it took to the heat. Now, like I said, if you know another method where the curl can stay better, then by all means do that. But my curls kind of fell and I kind of combed them out a little bit. You can also do like a half up, half down situation. We do like this. You can do like this. We can also do the little clip, like the viral style with the clip. Very versatile, whatever you want to do. I was feeling just the down vibes. So that's why I did that, but whatever you guys want to do. Anyways, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look from the layers down to the curl and the volume, then just keep watching.